Welcome to the monthly roundup of the most trending AI papers for November 2024, curated by Zeta Alpha. Let's have a look at the top 10 papers. Our first pick is Tape Agents by ServiceNow, a new agentic framework that is based on the idea of a tape-like memory from the Turing machine. These agents are state machines that use the tape as both the memory, the blackboard, and the orchestrator queue. The next paper proposes that the routing weights in mixture of experts models can be used for text embedding purposes as they capture higher-level semantic information from the input data. Experiments on the clustering and pairwise similarity tasks from the MT benchmark show that a weighted sum of the embeddings from the routing weights and the hidden states outperforms the standard baseline for various open-source models. MMEmbed is an embedding model from NVIDIA that combines a vision language model and a text embedding model with a new modality-aware negative mining pipeline to create a multimodal bi-encoder. This model outperforms all baselines on multimodal beer, while also slightly improving its performance on standard text embedding tasks. HYQE stands for Hypothetical Query Embeddings and creates document representations by generating hypothetical queries from the document content. This approach brings significant improvements in NDCG at 10 for all tested models, while also being compatible with HYDE to further improve the retrieval quality. Learning to Retrieve by Trying is an RL-based framework that improves retrieval performance in multi-hop QA systems by training the query generator model using preference optimization. It outperforms few-shot prompting with an improvement in recall up to 29% and a 17% increase in answer accuracy. The differential transformer is a model that enhances attention to relevant context while canceling out noise. It outperforms the standard transformer in tasks like language modeling, key information retrieval, and in-context learning. This study from Google investigates the factors that affect the performance of merged models, with some of its key findings highlighting that larger models and instruction tuning facilitate easier merging, but also that all model merging methods achieve similar results at larger scales. DexMimicGen automatically generates a diverse set of synthetic data for bimanual dexterous manipulation tasks through simulation by bootstrapping from a few human demonstrations. Models trained on this data show a 90% success rate when transferring the trajectories to physical robots, as opposed to 0% when only using human demonstrations. On local news, artificial Kuramoto oscillatory neurons leverage the spatiotemporal nature of neuron interactions using dynamic synchronization to bind them together. This approach has been validated in applications such as unsupervised object discovery, puzzle solving, and image classification. Last but not least, this paper studies whether equivariant architectures retain their benefits when scaling to large datasets and compute. The findings indicate that while the equivariant models improve data efficiency and outperform non-equivariant models for large datasets, the performance gap can be narrowed through data augmentation. Join live the next edition of our webinar, in person at Lab 42 or online anywhere in the world for our year-end special, where we'll be reflecting on all the major developments from the past year. See you soon and enjoy discovery.